8 bed making mistakes and how to fix them. It's one of life's little mysteries. Your pesky fitted sheet never stays put. Worse, it disrupts your sleep every time it pops off. What's the deal? It usually boils down to one of two things. Sheets have the power to improve or ruin your quality of sleep. Here's what you need to know so you can rest easy. If your tossing and turning at night is fueled by an allergic reaction to dust mites, then the best time to make your bed is not right after you wake up. Dust mites need two things to survive: your skin flakes to munch on and a moist atmosphere for hydration. Making the bed first thing promotes the latter because it seals in the sweat you left on the bedding. Alternatively, if you leave your bed unmade for an hour or two, air and light will dry up the moisture, which sucks the life out of dust mites. After you make your bed, you can bounce a quarter off of it. The problem is, your bedding is so tightly tucked that your feet get squished when you're under the covers. A company called Smart Bedding has a solution. They developed a unique snap system that attaches the top sheet to a duvet cover. The result is bedding that never needs tucking. Not only does this unique design prevent sensitive toes from being smushed, it also stops covers from slipping off or around the mattress. There's no chore most people dislike more than ironing. But what if you think crinkled sheets look messy? Consider the following. You and your partner are both blanket hogs. When it's freezing, the tug-of-war drama over the covers goes on all night long. Wouldn't it be better if you both slept like a suite? That is, with individual sheet sets and blankets or duvets that match. Two ingredients make up your bed: a fitted sheet and a duvet. The problem is you often wake up at night because you're either too hot or cold. Consider layering instead. First, add a top sheet to the mix, so it's in between you and the duvet. Just remember to tuck the sheet in so it doesn't slip around while you sleep. The sheet allows you to ditch the duvet without freezing. Next, keep an extra blanket at the end of your bed, folding it neatly in half so it is easy to unfurl. You may love that pile of pillows on your bed, but if you never wash them, they can be bad news for your skin and health. Not only do they trap dirt, oil, and bacteria, which can cause acne, they also trap allergens that trigger sneezing, asthma, and bloodshot eyes. Here's how you can clean up the mess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.